Let's look at the relative frequency histogram. So with relative frequencies, we're talking about in relation to the others. So we're going to go ahead and do this example. So we are using the same example as last. So our class is, let's see, go back to the previous page, 42 to 50, 51 to 59, 60 to 68. And then our boundaries are the same as last example, 41.5 to 50.5, 50.5 to 59.5, 59.5 to 68.5. We found the relative frequency on the previous notes from 2.1. So the relative frequency is in relation to the others. So there were 8 out of 30, right? Let me pull up those notes. Yeah. Relative frequency was the 0.27 for 42 to 50. 17 out of 30 is 0.57. And 5 out of 30 is 0.17. So the way I found it was just by dividing and then rounding up, or rounding really to the 2 decimal places. Okay, so our horizontal scale is the same. See how it says has the same shape and horizontal scale. So that means I'm going to do the 41.5 to 50.5 to 59.5 to 68.5. So this comes from our class boundaries. And then our vertical scale is going to be between 0 and 1. So let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can go by ones. So 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, and 1. We could go by 0.05 if we'd like as well. So this is the age at inauguration again. And then this would be our relative frequency. So 0.27 for the first one, for the first class. It's about right there. And 0.57. And then 0.17. So if you compare this to the other one, side by side. See how they're the exact same shape? The only difference is I went by 0.1 here. So if I would have gone by a different value here, but they are the exact same shape. You start low, you hit a max, and then you decrease. So that's the same pattern. decreases. Okay, so hopefully that'll help you on your assignments.